CBSE Class 10 Social Science. Important questions Geography Chapter 2 Forest and Wildlife Resources. 1 marks questions 1. Name any 4 normal species. Answer. Cattle, sal, pine and rodent. 2. Name any 4 endangered species. Answer. Black buck, crocodile, Indian ass, Indian rhino. 3. Name any 4 vulnerable species. Answer. Blue sheep, Asiatic elephant, Gangetic dolphin. 4. Name any 4 rare species. Answer. Himalayan brown bear, wild Asiatic buffalo, desert fox and hornbill. 5. Name any 4 endemic species. Answer. Andaman teal, Nicobar pigeon, Andaman wild pig, Mithun in Arunachal Pradesh. 6. Name any 4 extinct species. Answer. Asiatic cheetah, pink-head duck. 7. When and in which state was the program of joint forest management first adopted? Answer. In 1988, in Odisha the program of joint forest management was first adopted. 8. Which species of India's flora and fauna are on the verge of extinction? Answer. Among the animals, the cheetah, pink-headed duck, mountain quail, forest spotted owl, etc. And among the plants, wild variety of mahua, Maduca insignis, a wild species of grass, Hepeneuron, is on the threatened list. 9. Which state has the largest are under permanent forests? Answer. Madhya Pradesh. 10. What is the share of India in the total number of species in the world? Answer. 8%. 11. What is the approximate number of species of animals found in India? Answer. About 81,000. 12. There are how many flowering plants in India? Answer. About 15,000. 13. Which state have less than 10% of their area under forests? Answer. Delhi and Punjab. 14. Which state has the largest area under permanent forests? Answer. Madhya Pradesh. 15. What is JFM? Answer. Joint Forest Management is a movement launched to manage and restore degraded forests by involving the local communities. 16. Name any 2 movements which were launched by local communities for the protection of forest and wildlife. Answer. Chipko Movement and Bees Bachao Andolan. 16. Name the conservation strategies which directly involve community participation. Answer. Joint Forest Management, Chipko Movement. 17. Which 3 species of India's flora and fauna are on the verge of extinction? Answer. Cheetah, pink-headed duck and mountain quail. 18. Lepcha folk songs are associated to which state of India? Answer. West Bengal. 19. What is enrichment plantation? Answer. When a single commercially valuable species was extensively planted and other species eliminated. 20. The diverse flora and fauna of the planet are under great threat mainly due to a. Global warming, b. Lack of water availability, c. Insensitivity to our environment, d. Increasing pollution. Answer. c. Insensitivity to our environment. 21. Which one of the following is an endangered species of Manipur? A. Blue sheep, b. Asiatic buffalo, c. Sangi, bro anteater deer, d. Cattle. Answer. C. Sangi, bro anteater deer. 22. The species that are not found after searches of known or likely areas where they may occur are known as a. Normal species, b. Vulnerable species, c. Extinct species, d. Rare species. Answer. C. Extinct species. 23. Which one of the following is a medicinal plant used to treat some types of cancer? A. Himalayan yew. B. Himalayan oak. C. Maduca insignis. D. Hubbardea heptaneuron. Answer A. Himalayan yew. 24. In which year the Indian Wildlife Protection Act was implemented? A. 1970. B. 1971. C. 1972. D. 1974. Answer A. 1970. 25. Which one of the following was launched in 1973? A. Project Tiger. B. Indian Wildlife Act. C. Wildlife Act. D. Indian Wildlife Protection Act. Answer A. Project Tiger. 26. Which one of the following is located in West Bengal? A. Corbett National Park. B. Sundarbans National Park. C. Sariska Wildlife Sanctuary. D. Bandhavgarh National Park. Answer B. Sundarbans National Park. 27. In which one of the following states is Periyar Tiger Reserves located? A. Rajasthan. B. Assam. C. Uttaranchal. D. Kerala. Answer D. Kerala. 28. Which one of the following states has the largest area under permanent forest? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Jammu and Kashmir. C. Punjab. D. Madhya Pradesh. Answer D. Madhya Pradesh. 29. Which one of the following is a great achievement of the Chipko movement? A. More trees are planted. B. Development in Himalayan region. C. Successfully resisted deforestation. D. Soil erosion get declined. Answer C. Successfully resisted deforestation. 30. In what ways the forests were harmed by the colonial government? Answer 1. For expansion of railways. 2. For expansion of agricultural field. 3. For expansion of commercial and scientific forestry. 4. For expansion of milling activities. Any 3. 31. What do you know about permanent forest estates? Name the state which has the largest area under these forest estates. Answer Reserved and protected forests are also referred to as permanent forest estates. 1. These forest states are maintained for the purpose of producing timber and other forest produce and for protective reasons. State Madhya Pradesh, 75% of its total forest area. 32. Humans are dependent on the ecological system for their existence. Explain. Answer As a part of the ecological system, human beings are dependent on it for their existence. For example, 1. We breathe in air, we drink water, we grow crops in soil, etc. These are the non-living components of the ecological system. 2. On the other hand, plants, animals, and other microorganisms recreate the quality of these non-living components.